Hey everyone, welcome back again. It's been a month since I have uploaded any new video on this channel. It is because of some personal problems. I am trying to recover from it and see how it works out. You stayed here, and this is the most amazing thing happened to me last month. I really thank you for that. From now on, I will publish video more frequently, and the content will be more relevant to your requirements. So this is only I have for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, good luck and peace.